Okay, what is programming language? Because this is the basic and main course of the class 11th and 12th. So I started from that there only. Yeah. Anything else? 25 have joined. Just a second. Can you wait for a second? Till then, just all of you, please do a caution, right? Uh, do a caution to print the factorial of a number. Kindly do this in your computers. Do this. I think it will take hardly 5 minutes for all of you. Please do that also. Then after that, we will discuss the different varieties of questions today. Okay? Do it fast. Yeah? Factorial of a number. I'm telling the factorial of a number you need to do. Do it fast. What is factorial basically? 4 factorial means 4 factorial means
A number 1 into 2 into 3 into 4.
exactly. Up to that number, it will multiply from 1. Okay, do it fast, all of you. Then I'm going to discuss with you the mm, Armstrong and the palindrome today. Okay, do that as well. Do it fast. Seriously. Okay, some students have sent. That is good. Now I'm going to discuss some points, some more points. Kindly continue with that. I want the result from everyone, right? In your examination also, I will give up to the looping. Okay, the full Python part only. Okay, you need to continue the Python from getting started with Python up to your nested loops, right? I will give it there. So kindly do it again and again, do the practice. Anyway, is this visible to all of you? Is this visible? No, the screen is not shared, I think. Right, wait. Is this, sorry, is this visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we will discuss about the Armstrong number. Okay, so firstly, we should know about what is Armstrong number and what is palindrome basically. Okay, see, one example is given here, 371 is an Armstrong number. How can we know about that this number is the Armstrong number? An Armstrong number of 3 digits is an integer such that the sum of the cubes of its digits, okay, एक मिनट, okay, yes, okay, the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. Is this okay? If we are calculating the cube of the digits of that number and adding that number, then the number will be equal to the original number. Are you getting my point? Like, for example, the number is 371. We are getting its cube. Cube means 3 into 3 raised to the power 3, 7 raised to the power 3, 1 raised to the power 3. The number will become 371. Okay? The number will become 371. Is this okay? So what is that number? This number is same as whose cube? We are calculating here. Fine or not? Is this okay? Is this point clear to you that what is Armstrong? Right. Okay. One more thing we should discuss that. This is called your Armstrong number. Okay, what is palindrome basically? Okay, we are getting the reverse of a number. If we are getting a reverse of a number, the reverse, if the reverse is same as the previous number, this is your palindrome. Okay, if we are getting the reverse of a number, let's say, what is the reverse of 371? What is the reverse of 371?
173.
173. Okay, the reverse is 173. It is same as the previous number. It is same as the previous number, right? Is it same? 371, 173 is the same. No, it is not
No,
same.
ma'am.
No, it is not same. So if it is not same, then this is not palindrome. If I am telling 212, 212 reverse will be 212. It is same as the previous number, so it will be your palindrome number. Okay, bacho? Okay, now firstly we are discussing about, kindly leave it, palindrome. We are discussing about the Armstrong right now. Okay, 371 is the Armstrong number. So we need to calculate the cube of all the digits. Okay, the first of all, if we are getting the same result as it is with the previous number, so this is called your Armstrong number. ठीक है, 3 raised to the power 3, 7 raised to the power 3, 1 raised to the power 3, and if we are adding to it, if we are adding to these numbers, the 37, it will become 371. So 371 is the Armstrong number because it is same as the previous original number. This is fine. Now, what will be the logic? We need to draw this logic. We need to draw, हमें कौन सा logic draw करना है? This logic only. We need to draw this logic for calculating all these numbers. For calculating all these numbers. Is this okay? Okay. So first of all, we will draw a logic. According to that, you need to understand and then learn about that logic. Because why I'm saying that you need to learn that? Because there will be the trick. There will be the trick. Okay, so you should know about that particular trick. So what is the trick we are applying for calculating that? Firstly, we should know about that particular trick also. Okay, enter a three-digit number. This is firstly we are accepting the three-digit number here in the num. Num we are giving in f. Sum equals to 0. Okay, if f is greater than to 0, if f is greater than to 0, if f is greater than to 0, then firstly we will calculate that. See, kindly take one paper and pencil, all of you. Got it? पेपर और पेंसिल सारे बच्चे लेकर बैठो अपने पास. because I want the photo from your paper and pencil also. So that's why I'm saying that you need to bring paper and pencil with you for understanding the concept. Brought it?
Yes.
Yeah. तो फर्स्टली मेक द पार्टीशन इन 3 लाइंस. उसमें 3 लाइंस इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करो. Okay, I'm just opening my screen also, if it is possible there. एक मिनट एक वर्ड ओपन कर ले. वर्ड नो, आई एम जस्ट ओपनिंग. But it is not opening that particular file. Yeah, open हो गई. थोड़ा सा स्लो मोड चल रहा है हमारा. एक मिनट वेट. Yeah. Okay, new file, I'm just opening that. Okay, because I need to follow you also. Okay, first of all, I'm just saying ki what will be there, ki int enter 3-digit number. Okay, we have taken a 3-digit number. Okay, we are calculating 371 only. Okay, taken the number 371 only. Then after that it is saying that num will be transferred to f. So what will be the f there? 371. Yeah. Then after that, if 371 is greater than to 0, yes, it is greater than to 0. Are you saying something is there? Mute. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we are taking the 3-digit number there, then what will happen? F is greater than 0. Yes, F is greater than 0. What is the number in F? 371. So firstly we are dividing it by 10, getting the remainder. What will be the remainder after dividing it 10? जल्दी बताओ बच्चों.
1.
1. A's value will be 1. Okay, then after that we are calculating F divided by 10. अब बताओ, what will be the number there? What will be the value of F? 371 divided by 10. What will be the value of F? Tell me fast. Hurry up. Tell something. देखो, it is converting in integer number. Integer it means decimal के बाद का वो नहीं complete करेगा. It will not calculate that precision value there. Okay, it will calculate only the quotient part. Okay, so what will be the value? A's value you have written 1. F value, what should I write? 37.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
37, right? Then after that, sum equals to sum plus a raised to the power 3. A की value क्या है? 1. 1 raised to the power 3, what will be the value there? In the sum? Sum के अंदर कितनी value आएगी? What will be the value of sum? 1. 1 there only. Okay. Then in the second iteration, is f is greater than 0. What is the f's value? 37. एफ की वैल्यू कितनी है बच्चों? 37 and 37 divided by 10. What will be the value of A? What will be the value of A? Here you are not competing with me. You are not solving that with me. Yes, tell me. What is the value will be of A? 37 divided by 10. What will be the remainder there? Himanshu, agar I am dividing 37 by 10. Okay, what will be the remainder there, beta?
Ma'am, 7.
Exactly. The value will be 7. Why are you not saying? Okay, then what will be the value in F?
3.
3. Then what will be the value in sum? C. What will be the value in sum? 1 plus A raised to the power 3. A's latest value is 7. 7 raised to the power 3 calculate करके और plus 1 में add करके मुझे बताओ. Tell me first.
347.
344.
344.
344.
Then after that, what is the value of F? 3. 3 is greater than 0? Yes, now it is greater than 0. What will be the remainder after dividing it by 10? कितना रिमाइंडर हुआ? F की वैल्यू क्या है? 3 is the F value. I am dividing it by 10. Okay. What will be the value there?
0.
Think, think and then talk. How? बताओ. F divided by 10, what will be the remainder there? 0, you are saying. And then after that, I am doing according to you. F, what will be the value of F? What will be the value of F? F divided by 10.
0. मैम रिमाइंडर 0 कैसे होगा? रिमाइंडर 3 होगा ना?
हाँ, क्या होगा? What will be the value there?
3 and F is equals to 0.
You tell me. I want to know about the difference between these two. कि A की वैल्यू क्या आएगी और F की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? Let me know about it.
A value should be after the decimal and
No, it will not calculate the decimal after the decimal value because we are getting the remainder only. अगर 3 को आप 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, are you getting my point? मैं पूछ रही हूँ सिर्फ रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? Exactly. And F?
0.
What will be the sum? Sum latest value is 344. 344 plus A raised to the power 3.
27. 28.
You are doing something wrong. ये देखो. Do it in particular order. Once again, kindly check it. फटाफट check करो सारे बच्चे. Just a second. Just a second. I am coming. Check it once again, all of you.
35.
You are doing something wrong.
I'm 371. Ma'am, 371.
How 371? Who is saying that 371?
Ma'am, because we
Ma'am, we added it with.
Added it there also. Is this okay? Is this okay? The number will be same as the previous number. Okay. Send me your calculation. कोई बच्चा जिसने 371 बोला है उसने किया होगा ना? Send me your calculation here. Send me your calculation
Ma'am,
here.
I sent it now.
Okay, understood that or not, all of you? It means you need to calculate all these instructions which is given in the loop again and again and again until the f value is greater than 0. Whenever it will become 0, it means कि 3 or 4 iteration में हो जाता है हमारा काम. Okay, whenever it will become 0, okay, then it will come out of the loop. Okay, then we will check that if the sum is equals to num, sum in the sum we are calculating the calculated value, okay, after each iteration, and if the sum is equals to the previous number, then it is the Armstrong, otherwise it is not the Armstrong. Is this fine or not? Okay, now I'm discussing another question with you, and you need to do it in your computers, all of you, after that. Okay, the first of all, what is palindrome? I discussed recently. What is palindrome?
मैम जिनका इनवर्स सेम होता है.
Palindrome, हाँ. Okay, palindrome. What is palindrome? Palindrome, it means if the reverse of that number, it means if the reverse of that number is equal, if the reverse of that number is equal to the previous number, that will be the palindrome. Otherwise, it will not be palindrome. Okay, what is the original number here? Int input, enter a number. Okay, if number is equals to original, so first of all we are taking a first number here. What is the number here? 214 here. Original, in the original we are getting that number. The original number, let's say I'm just taking 214. I have written with a pencil actually. This is my old book ना, तो पिछली बार जो बच्चों को समझाया था. Anyway, ठीक है, 3214 is the original number दिया. I'm taking it. आप इसकी जगह you can take the one number which is palindrome here. 212 you can take, 414 you can take, 404 you can take, which is the if the reverse of that particular number is equal to that number. So this is your number. Okay, enter a number. Original number is transferred to num. Reverse में first of all we are taking 0. The process is same as the previous question. Kindly take one paper and pen with you. सारे बच्चे लेकर बैठो. Okay, and check it once again with me. कि num, what is the value in num? Let's say I am taking 414. Okay, 414 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. Again, I am dividing it by 10. What will be the remainder there? Remainder will go to the digit there. Then after that, in the reverse, what is the value of reverse? 0. 0 multiplied by 10 कितना हो गया बच्चों? 0 plus digit.
0.
What will be the value in the digit? Then it will add to that particular number and transfer in the reverse after that. Okay, then question part will come in the num दिया. और जो latest question part आएगा, again it will check with the 0 if it is greater than to 0 or not. If it is greater than to 0, then again and again it will calculate that number. Okay, then finally, whenever the number up to the number is greater than to 0, whenever it will come equal to that 0, it will come out that loop. It will come out from that loop, or it will check that number. So I'm just requesting to all of you, kindly make 3 line there. Okay, make the partition there and calculate it. एक अपने आप से कैलकुलेट करके मुझे अभी भेजो फटाफट. जैसे आई एम टेकिंग 414, यू कैन टेक द नंबर ऑफ योर चॉइस. और जिस तरीके से हमने आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग का कैलकुलेट किया था ना, आई वांट इट व्हाट विल बी द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द नम देयर. I think it will work in the 3 iteration part. This one. Are you doing that? I want result from everyone.
is 14.
A not A, B, C. आप क्या लोगे? Digit, REV and num.
Ma'am, digit is 14 and
पिक्चर भेजेगा बेटा मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे कर दे. I will check it. Will you send it there? Class है. Done. Do these programs also in your computers. And this is your homework. You need to understand the logic basically at home. Download that page. It is already available in your book. Okay. In the solved questions. In the solved questions of the control statement chapter. Okay. Of that looping chapters. It is already available there. Yeah, this is quite correct. Who sent it there? But you need to calculate the num value also, dear. Okay. So what will be the latest value in the num? What will be the value in the num? Right. The reverse you should know about it. What is the reverse here? 14 in the second iteration. Put the value in the third iteration also. Yeah, I guess have all done. Arav has sent something. It's a factorial. Have you sent the data there? Akshita has sent, yes, Bhavya. These people have sent that. Okay, Shivan Singh has done the palindrome also. It is good. Kanak also done. Very good. Okay, kindly do it also. Okay, all of you at home. And I'm just going to take your attendance also. Wait. $37 and join. Wait. Yes. Is there Akansha? Akansha Sharma is present.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal. Arav Grewal is always silent. Why? Arav? Arav Sharma is present. What about Arav Grewal? If your mic is not working, kindly put the message in the chat if you are able to do that. If you are listening my voice. Agnish?
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya?
Present, ma'am.
Akshita?
Present, ma'am.
And make two or three partners in our class. Okay, we will make two or three partners in our class. I will give some group project to all of you. Okay, there will be marking, there will be the marks according to that. Okay, so you can take any of the game, you can take. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about it. Okay, in the descriptive way. Fine, remind me then. Yeah.
Periodic will be of written marks or practical?
That will be written only. The information will be given to you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Chalo.